Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. This video is going to be about the weld tool. If we weld these three items together, they're going to be all red because of the fact that I drew the rectangle first and it's at the bottom of the page. If I was to take another item and let's make it yellow and take away the outline, and if I was to weld all four of these items, you can see that it's going to be red again because that's the last, or this was the first thing I drew. If we take away this the rectangle and draw another rectangle and make it dark blue and take away the outline, now it's at the top. You normally wouldn't have this open. So if you select them all now, you don't know which one it's going to be because you don't know which one of those circles. But you can see I must have drawn the yellow before. So to eliminate that, and then let's say you want them, let's make it all a different color. Let's say you make them, we cannot, let me move my shift key out of the way. We're going to use that in just a second. We don't know what order they're in, and we're just going to weld them and it gets yellow. But let's say we want to make them all red. Shift select everything. 1, 2, 3, and leave the red to last. So now that's your last item selected, so it's going to make everything red. This is one reason I don't weld in colors. I'm going to weld like this, and then I'm going to fill it in with whatever color I want and take away the outline. But if you're doing a lot of items, shift selecting your order can help you quite a bit. So let's do the blue this time. I'm going to pick the red, shift select the yellow and the green, and then the blue, and weld it, and now everything's blue. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.